What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is 6:05 a.m. on Thursday. We are about to head up to the Kies show. I've got the car all packed and ready. We're gonna go meet up with everybody else and get started on this, I think, almost 9-hour drive. But I'm gonna video a lot of it, so let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah, show off that Caravan wrap, bro.
New PPF.
Yes, sir. That's that new Aero.
Thick installed.
Yeah.
It was also
The last one got here. New wrap.
Those comments, feelings. I was just like, first of all, this
I was like,
shit,
no race is fair then. Like,
yeah.
never.
I was like,
race the car.
And like, people was like, bro, like, why would you race him? Like, he is E50, he do all this nigga.
Made it out to our second spot. We're all lined up here. We're just waiting on Eldridge, which that looks like it's him right there in the M3. Fellow blue car.
Damn, buddy.
That is flush in the back, just a little bit.
That's 90.
Tight.
90. What's the wheel stick for?
Just on me, all the junk in there. Don't worry about that.
I'll blur out all the junk.
Yeah, just blur it all.
Yeah. Made it to our third stop. Got some Chick-fil-A. Had to fix some of my track armor on the front, do a couple repairs on that, but overall still good. Everybody's here. I think we got like 5, maybe 6 hours left. So it's been a lot of fun so far.
I mean, if you had a fuck ton of races, like, I mean, it's the same thing as like a Patron. Like, it's no different. You don't have to be like naked.
right, so we made it to New Jersey. It was definitely a long trip, but we made it. There's 3 of us here. It looks like a few others are showing up now, but we're about to all go inside, go get comfortable, get checked in the hotel, shower, and then we're all gonna head out to dinner here and then enjoy the day tomorrow before the Kies Auto Show on Saturday. Meeting up with a few people for some photos. Stop. All clean.